Lesson 113 in math today. Well, this is my royal scepter, okay? And today we are learning how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Don't be fooled by my royal scepter. I could be a nose picker. It's disgusting. Yuck. Okay, here we go. 345 times 3, okay? What? Wait a second, that's not by a 2-digit number, Mr. Mondale. Are you losing it? Okay, no, you're right. I'm losing it, okay? But I'm losing it because I haven't seen you guys forever, and I wish I could. I miss all of you dearly, but at least you get to see me every day, and we're doing 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication. So if you can become a math master and keep those times going, I'm going to give you a reminder, okay, on your power-ups. Okay, if you can do your 40 problems in 1 minute and 12 seconds, 1 minute and 12 seconds, okay, then you would be a math master if you could keep that same time going for all 100 problems. That is my challenge for you. You've been doing 1 minute and 45 seconds in your timing, okay? Make sure you can keep that time going down until you're 1 minute and 12 seconds for division, for multiplication, for addition and subtraction. Since we're not doing the Math Masters 100 papers anymore, so make sure you can still do your power-ups, okay? Okay. I am a forgetful man, and I am losing it. So, and some of you that are smarter than me know why I'm losing it and what I forgot, okay? I told you I was going to give you a new fun riddle type challenge math problem in yesterday's math lesson, but I didn't. And I'd like to say that was on purpose, just to get you to watch the whole video, but it wasn't. I plain and simply was having so much fun, I just forgot. Okay? So here's your riddle for today. Your riddle, okay, is if you buy a rooster for the purpose of laying eggs, and you expect to get 3 eggs each day for breakfast, how many eggs will you have after 3 weeks? Okay? Here's again. If you buy a rooster for the purposes of laying eggs, and you expect to get 3 eggs each day for breakfast, how many eggs will you have after 3 weeks? Okay, now don't try to figure that out yet. Wait till after we're done with this new teaching, okay, this new concept, then try to figure it out, and you'll get the answer in tomorrow's math lesson. It's a tricky one. It's really good. Okay, so minute 12. Get yourselves to a minute 12. And yes, I'm losing it, but I'm not losing it for these. We are going to be doing a 3-digit times 2-digit, okay? But I'm starting with this on purpose, okay? So here we go. 345 times 3, okay? So 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 4 is 12, plus my 1 is 13. Make sure things are lined up in their nice, neat columns. And then 3 times 3 plus 1. 3 times 3 plus 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10, okay? That's not scary, is it? You guys have done those? Do my comma hot? That's my answer, okay? That's not scary at all. So what about 345 times 2? No, that's not scary. Watch this. 2 times 5, 10, 8, 9, 6. Oh, okay. So if you can do these problems, this is what you can do also. 345 times 32. Watch this. Times 32. Okay? The only thing that's different is where things go and lining them up. You just do the exact same thing we've been doing for 2-digit by 2-digit. If that was 45 times 32, we keep going the same way, except for we continue it out a little bit farther. So I'll start with pretending like the 3 isn't there, okay? Just to ease into it. 2 times 5 is, carry the 1, 0. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay? Now, what would be my next step? That's right, you're playing baseball. Strike 1. Oh. Strike 1. Try again. Strike 2. Oh, man, strike 2. Okay? And then strike 3. And what happens after strike 3? Batter's out. Okay, so we put an O or a 0 around our third strike for we're being out. Okay, and I can erase this nice guy up there so he doesn't confuse me. And I have a 3 there now. Okay, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to switch the 3 to red so you can see where things are at here. Okay, so now if I pretended like that 3 was over here, okay, what order would I do things in? I would do 3 times 5, 3 times 4, 3 times 3. That's all that you got to try to figure out, okay? Okay, so I do 3 times 5, then 3 times 4, then 3 times 3. Okay, it's as if you're imagining that the 3 is over there, just like it was over here. Okay, so 3 times 5 is, carry my 1, 15. 3 times 4 plus my 1 is, 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 more is, carry my 1, 13. Okay, 13. Now I go 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. There's nowhere to carry, so I put my 10 there. Now it's the exact same as it was. Okay, so now I add these partial products up. 0 plus 0 is 0, or 0 plus my out. Okay, 9 plus 5 is 14. 6 plus 3 plus 1 is, I look at that as 6 plus 4, because 3 and 1 is 4, and I know my quick tens numbers. 6 and 4 is 10. Okay, so carry my 1 and have my 0, and 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So now I do my comma bounce, comma hop. 1, 2, 3, comma, 11,040. Is that easy or what? Okay, so that's kind of fun. Okay, let's try another one here. Okay, remember, if you can do 1 digit, 3 digit times a 1 digit, you can do 3 digit times a 2 digit. Okay, example 2 gives us the problem $4. Okay, $4.07 times 38. Okay, now I like to just start out by pretending like the 3 is not there. Okay, and that first step is easy peasy lemon squeezy. 8 times 7, 56. 8 times 0 plus 5, 5. 8 times 4, there's nowhere to carry. I'm not going to carry above my dollar sign, silly. Okay, so 8 times 4, 32. Okay, now what was there? There was a 3 there. Okay, I'm going to stick him up there in red. Okay, and before I do that, I have to do strike 1, strike 2, strike 3, and you're out. Okay, so let's do our strike 1, strike 2, strike 3. Strike 1, strike 2, strike 3, and sometimes there's strikes 4 and 5s up there. Okay, and then we got to pretend like we're getting lots of extra freebie pitches. Okay, but gives you an idea. And batter's out. There we go. We got it out right there. Okay. Now we got red. Okay, red is back there. He's revived. 3 times 7, and I can erase that so it's not in my way, is 21. 3 times 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so I'm pretending like this 3 was right here. Okay, if he was right there, I would be going 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. 3 times 4 is 12, okay? Except for he wasn't there, okay? He was right here, and there was a 8 there, okay? So it's 3 times 7, 3 times 0, 3 times 4, okay? So now we add that up, okay? And we have 6 plus 0 is 6, 5 plus 1 is 6, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, 1 plus 0 is 1, comma bounce, 1, 2, 3, 15,000, 466. Somebody's got their hand up. Yes? Oh, you are so good. You're right. It is a money problem. It's not going to be $15,000 and 406. Oh, I'll just go like this. Boosh. Gotta be done. So I take $4.07 and I lay that out 38 times. Okay, 407, 407, 407. Is that going to be $15,000? No, it's not. Okay, that's way too big when you just use a general estimate. Okay, because if we think about this, we have a decimal point. We have some. Okay, so we need to go first with our decimal points. 1, 2. Okay. And we got 66 cents there. Then from the decimal point, then we go comma hopping. 1, 2, 3. Well, there's nothing there, so I don't need to. So it is $154.66. Okay? That's our new concept. Super easy. Okay? All you got to do is just stay in the right spots and keep things lined up. Have fun. Okay? Have fun. And remember, if you buy a rooster for the purpose of laying eggs and you expect to get 3 eggs each day for breakfast, how many eggs will you have in 3 weeks? Answer tomorrow.